Hello everyone, today I will make fried rice. I already heat this, so I have here butter. Let it melt. And I have here garlic. Leave it for sometimes. Or we can just together. Onion. Now leave it to cook. And I have here 2 eggs. I will scramble it. And spice it with salt, black pepper, and I use Vitsen. Just a little scramble. And then cook it together. Yes. Leave it for sometimes until cook. Now it's already cooked. I will add some ground meat, cooked ground meat. Yes, and together with vegetables, canned vegetables, carrots, beans, green peas, and rice, ringo, and the rice. And after this, when it's warm, it's already finished. You just mix it. And now it's ready. Wow, so tasty. And this is good with chicken. This is good with chicken, baby. Today's menu: chicken, barbecue, and chicken. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye. Have a blessed day.